Miss Winter.
What do I? Put the money on the table.
What? Oh, yeah, I was going to rob you of your potato chips. I forgot. Sorry.
But, sir,
I'm a detective. Give me your potato chips now.
Fine.
Oh, P.S. In part 1, if you didn't realize, the first person I was the fat bulldog detective. Then the second person was Ethan Morrison. Now I'm the fat bulldog again.
It's your potato chips.
Thank you, Lauren Winter.
Thanks.
Oh, P.S.
Why is he here?
P.S. on part 2, she was Madison and Norman. Jaden. First Madison, then Norman Jaden.
Oh, no.
No way! I have.
Now I'm her really big, meanie husband.
Lauren!
What do you want?
I want to see you.
No.
Now I'm the bulldog again.
Don't throw me down.
Lauren!
Now I am the big, scary dude. What do you want again?
Mr. Rapper Pink.
Bunny power. Dropped. Thought. He needs it. Out. Game over.
Thoughts. I just killed him. What is Lauren going to think of me if I steal more potato chips?
We will have to find out some other time.
No, when I'm a kid.